guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram notes color change option not showing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is first close and reopen the Instagram app. For that, launch it. Now first close the app and again launch it. Next thing you want to do is update the Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is report the problem. For that, launch your Instagram, navigate to your profile page, click on 3 bars given at the top right. Now scroll all the way down, head over to the option Help, click on the option Report your problem. Click on the option Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't Include and continue. Over here, briefly explain about the issue that you are unable to change color of your notes and you can send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for your issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.